Alright. So right here, I will be reviewing the Demun Crossbow. This little guy right here is a great crossbow. It is a Demun Tri-Strike. So it has a magazine that holds 3 bullets. You can purchase this off of Amazon. It is made by Barnett. It is a very amazing crossbow. 50-pound draw weight, 150 feet per second. It's 180 feet per second, my bad. You have this nice little grip right here. It's easy to cock back. You take your thumb, you put it here. You cock it back. It is fully loaded now. There is a bolt in the chamber. Here is your safety. There is a safety, so when you're teaching the kids, make sure you keep it on the safety. You can fold this out. You have the nice micro dots. You can also pick up a nice target made by Barnett. It's a Demun target. I do love these targets. Easy, especially for the kids. But this right here, you make sure you take it off of the safety when you go to fire it. I'll kind of show you a close-up. It is loaded, and you have to take it from the green to the red. Here are the sights right here. You can adjust the sights also. I will fire one in here and show you also how to load this. Safety off, aim. It is a very accurate little crossbow. I'd say 30-40 feet. That's kind of what we shoot it at. Shoot it with the kids. Also has this side. Trying to teach them a little bit of hunter safety, crossbow safety, so we can sometime go hunting. This right here is the magazine. So there is a little thing right here you can push. Folds down. You push it in on the left side. It folds up. You can insert the bolts. 3 bolts at a time. Excellent product. We've shot hundreds of rounds through this already. Love to go out to the backyard, shoot. It does have enough power. You could take out small game. It only weighs 2 pounds, which is very, very nice. 2-pound crossbow, perfect. Kids can handle it. Can kind of teach them some safety. Also do some target shooting. I do know you can pick this up at Tractor Supply also, or they did have them last year. And you do want to make sure extra bolts. We go through bolts like crazy. They sell them in 12 packs. It's like 17 bucks. And now Amazon, I'll put a link in. It's where you can get this, the Demun Tri-Strike. They also have 3 other models of the handheld crossbows. Very, very durable, very heavy duty rubber. I absolutely love the Demun series. I love Barnett. I have a larger Barnett crossbow, and they honored the warranty when one of the limbs broke, and that was actually my fault. The metal plate in the wrong spot, and they took care of me. So I stand behind Barnett, and I love these Demun Tri-Strikes. I'd say click the link below if you're interested in getting one. Perfect for small game, perfect for teaching children. It is not a toy, it is a weapon. It could hurt somebody. So all you have to do is click the link. Thank you also for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and also let me know how this video turned out, since I am using a new camera. It's taking me a little while to figure it out. Thank you.